So who be this one? Go chop your beans. Because we're going to the chop today. Go chop your beans. If I won't finish today, cook that beans. You plug your light there. I won't finish cooking that beans. How long is it small? Because at this point in my life.
Hi my loves. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Blair Anio. Welcome back guys. So yeah guys, I'll be going to the market, so I'll see you guys in the market or when I'm back. I'll see you guys later. So guys, this is my list. Guys, the sun is sunning.
Hi guys. Follow us to go the market on a budget.
Very fine model.
So guys, I just came back from the market. This is everything I got. I actually wanted to buy rice, but the woman that sells rice, like the woman I usually buy rice from, didn't open, because the woman, she sells nice good rice. Not the woman, she sells good rice. So yeah, so today I'll be cooking atama soup. Atama, not the rich atama, the broke Nigerian students own. Yes. So I'll be making atama.
I don't know why people use the word broke on yourselves.
So
How are you broke? You're broke. You're just
So
out of cash. It's not broke.
okay, I'm not broke, but I'm just out of cash.
Why poor is permanent, and richness is when you have the money, and wealthy is when you. It's not just about the money, but you have.
Yes, I
I
don't
have the money now. I can never say broke.
I've
You
heard.
deceive yourself by saying yes, you are rich, because you just want to tell your mind that you are rich. Bro, your current state of life is brokenness.
I'm not broke. There's no broke anything.
Sorry guys, my roommate, they're very rich. They have money. I have ballers in this room.
You're striving for the
I have ballers in this room. So yeah. So I'm going to be preparing atama. Atama soup is actually a local delicacy. In Akwa Ibom. Yes. The Akwa Ibomites, they love atama soup. So I'm going to be making that today, and I'll be using. Can you guys shut up? Keep your mouth shut.
But using the word poor is bad. Just understand.
I've heard though, broke and poor and rich, please.
That's the benefit of
Broke, poor and rich, I've heard. You don't do. So guys, I'm going to be preparing, so cook with me. And please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel guys. If you've reached this point, please subscribe guys. Let's build this journey together. What?
You all use 1 hour a day to watch them.
Please guys, ignore her. Guys, can you imagine? Okay. 200 naira oil in Calabar. But at Akwa Ibom State, you see very plenty oil, big oil, even at Lagos. I don't know why. I don't know why things are very expensive over here in Calabar. Maybe it's because the sellers think, okay, we are students, we have money. We don't have money. We are students, we don't have money. So look at the little crayfish. 200 naira.
If I give you one bag now.
Even if it's one bag, I
Give you
still.
one bag of crayfish.
My village, Ibono. Crayfish. Wow, I'm so pretty. Guys,
Class rep, see what they're talking
guys,
about.
please.
There is a difference between being
So
poor
guys.
and being broke. Broke is temporal. Poor is eternal.
Okay, now your book, the teacher that was Sonia.
Eternal.
So guys,
ETERNAL. Yes.
Is that not like forever?
Yes. How would being poor?
please let's start
That
cooking
is
because
Poor
I'm
is not
hungry.
forever.
I'm very hungry. So I have my water leaf. Can you guys see? I have my water leaf here. How clean, how neat it is. And yeah, this is my atama. This is my atama in the mortar. Yes, it's actually the dried atama, so I pounded it. Yeah, so this is it. So that is what we are using for today. I don't know if this oil will reach you, but anyhow, I go chop them like that. Guys, please ignore how dark the soup is. I'm going to add this, my water leaf. It's time to add my atama leaf. The oil is not enough. So guys, as it is now, the soup is almost ready. See the way I'm sweating. So guys, let me download this. Come and join me.